Hey besties, welcome back or welcome to Extremely Modest. So if this is not your first time here, you will notice that my living room looks a little different. Well, besides the mess, of course, but you will notice that I have some different furniture pieces. Like a few weeks back, or a few videos back rather, I told you guys that I wanted to kind of like spruce up my living room. So we were able to get like some new living room furniture, and I wanted to take you guys along with me as I did like a little refresh in the living room. I literally took out every single decor piece that I had in my house. I wanted to shop my home first just to see like what pieces would work in my living room first before going out and actually, purchasing new items. So before we get this video started, if you aren't already, please go ahead and subscribe. My name is Lavion with Extremely Modest, and I do enjoy posting cleaning motivation, home decor, and organization videos. If that type of content keeps your interest, go ahead and click on that red subscribe button. All right, so let's get this video started, guys. Before starting any redecorating or home decor project, I do like to start with a clean slate, and I'll be like just vacuuming the furniture, and I'll also take the opportunity while the love seat is pulled out and just vacuum behind that. She said I already told ya, yeah. I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown yourself. Let me offer help. Come on inside. I personally feel like adding greenery to your space just adds a natural element. I'm adding this plant in the corner because I thought that it complemented the dark wall and the couch. It ties everything together in this space. On the sofa, I'm adding the same pillows that we had on our last couch. I really did enjoy the emerald green couch, but I just wanted to go for a different color and like a different look for the living room here. When I seen this color sofa set, I really thought that it spoke like nice, calming, and relaxing, and that's just the vibe that I wanted to incorporate in my living room today. The living room set is like a light blue. I'm gonna call it dusty blue because that was actually supposed to be the colors of our wedding. So last year we were supposed to have a destination wedding, and because of you know who, that just did not happen. We did have like a small ceremony though, and it definitely worked, but it definitely wasn't that that destination wedding that I was planning for so long. It's funny that I actually chose this color couch because blue isn't even one of my favorite colors. Like, neither was green, but I'm more like a mauvish, grayish kind of girl. But I'm definitely embracing the fact that I am changing my color schemes, changing my style, and I feel like that is definitely something that happens over time when you're like decorating and you like one theme and then you kind of like switch over to another one. That's why I feel like decorating your home is like never done because you're always switching up your styles and moods and things like that. So definitely something to embrace. Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. I tried adding this mirror. I so wanted it to work like real bad, y'all. You'll see me trying my hardest to make it fit. I was moving it around trying to incorporate it, but it just did not work. So back upstairs it went. This is the finished look using only items that I already had. I didn't go out and purchase anything new. Eventually, I think I will kind of like change out the pillows or whatever, and that will probably just be when I want to like refresh that look or whatever. Right now, I'm okay with how everything turned out. I may even put like a small credenza on that back wall behind the sofa. Not completely sure yet. But best friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this video, but most importantly found some inspiration to refresh a space in your home as you may see fit. Remember, if you are in the process of refreshing a space, try shopping your home first before just going out and purchase anything. I will see you all in the next video. Stay safe and happy. Bye-bye.